That's Pickle.
What are you doing?
Tickle.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
Pickle. Pickle says love you. Is that a new voice, babe? You like that? Ooh. Love you, boo-boo.
I've been having dreams, jumping on a trampoline.
Hi, handsome.
Hi, sweet boy.
Hi, sweet boy.
Hi, baby bird.
Hi, sweet baby bird. Oh,
Hi, baby bird.
hi, sweet baby bird. Tweet, tweet, tweet.
Pickle.
Pickle.
Pickle. Hello.
Are you
Beep,
okay?
beep, 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 beep.
Oh, you're so cute.
Pickle.
Pickle.
Pickle. Hello.
Are you
Beep,
okay?
beep, 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 beep.
Oh, you're so cute.
Pickle.
Pickle.
Pickle. Hello.
Are you
Beep,
okay?
beep, 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 beep.
Oh, you're
Always been too scared and unprepared to let anybody get too close to me.
Hi. What you doing? Thank you. Thank you. Oh, nice kisses.
This pickle is meant to be
Secondly, what are you doing? Soap and glory. Oh, here we are. Sam, stop up. That is down to 44.
How many
You're so excited. Are you guys so excited? Yeah.
So this is love.
Hi, sweet boy.
So this is love. So this is what
Pickle bird. Pickle bird.
Beep, 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 beep. Are you okay?
Yeah. Are you listening,
Beep, 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 beep.
Yes. Oh, pickle bird. Pickle
Beep,
bird.
beep, 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 beep.
Pickle bird. Pickle. Hi, Pickle Tickle. Pickle bird. Pickle Tickle.
See Pickle? You see Pickle? We need to get your signature. See Pickle? Yeah. We gotta get you to sign it. You see Pickle? Well, I didn't quite get it, but because I couldn't wrangle him and the phone. But there you go. There's the signatures.
I'm sensing that's one of the all about me moments you were referring to before.
Mom, I know you like it, but if you're really not happy with Daddy, yeah. Yes. Are you my sweet baby? Yes. Pickle bird. Pickle. Pickle. Hi, babe.
You alright, bro? Got anything to say? Right, buddy? Still stealing my food, though. You alright, bro? Got anything to say? He's molting bad right now, so we haven't been doing much. Looking kind of rough. Right, buddy? Still stealing my food, though. You alright, bro? Got anything to say?
Are we saying hi, babe?
Chicken Pickle Tickle.
We now have the lowest number of serious pollution
Pickle
water
Tickle.
companies ever. And more water companies are now at the highest level of performance, what we call 4-star performance. We now have the lowest number of serious
Hi. Hi, baby bird. Hello. Hi, babe. Hi, babe. What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? Who's there? Yeah.